How to leave a league on Fantasy Premier League. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily leave a public or private league on Fantasy Premier League. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your Premier League application, or you can continue on with the website as well. Once you have the app open, just make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, once you are logged in, all you have to do is just go to the Fantasy tab on the bottom of your screen. Once you head over to the Fantasy tab, all you have to do is just make sure you're on the Fantasy tab right here. Scroll down here and you'll find leagues and cups. So in order to leave a league, you will need to have certain leagues that you are already in. So as you can see, here are 3 public leagues that I've joined, and there are a few general leagues as well. Now tap on this option called Configure Leagues, and it will take you to a next page. Now all you have to do here is just wait for it to load and scroll down a bit. And here you can see different options. So under public classic leagues, I have different options. So these are the 3 leagues I'm currently in. Now in order to leave this league, you can just tap on this exit icon at the right side. And it's going to ask if you're sure that you want to leave this league. Tap on yes. And you should be able to leave the league with no problem. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.